Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're visiting for the first time, please like and subscribe so that you'll be updated whenever I release new videos. Okay, God bless you as you do so. So in this video, I just want to give you some tips of what helped me to be good in running my major scales on the black keys. That's the fingering pattern for black keys. Okay, while I was learning the keyboard, I had a lot of difficulties in short, I hated the black keys because they're kind of complex. Like you can see your key C just natural. Everything was just natural, and I love the white keys and the black. And I usually do the black keys because I didn't just know this little secret. Okay, so and that secret is what I'm going to be giving to you in this video. If you really want to know, make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, so I'm not going to waste much of your time. The secret is just simply make sure you use whenever you're running the major scale of any key, you use your thumb, using your thumb for the white keys, and use your four fingers for the black. Okay, very simple. So your thumb should always be for your white keys, while your four longer fingers should be for the black keys. Okay, so remember, for instance, if I want to run my C sharp major scale, now this is a black key, C sharp. This is your C sharp major scale. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and what? 8. And this and this are the same. Okay, so this is my C sharp major scale. All these notes that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so having known your C sharp major scale, you know that it comprises of how many black notes? That let's count 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 black notes. And how many white notes? 1, 2. So meaning we are going to use our four fingers. It must be one of these four fingers. We're going to use it for the black keys. Why for these two white notes is going to be, we're going to use our thumb for it. So that's a little secret. So for instance, let's try it. Let's do the experiment and see. So let's start from 2. For instance, we can't start with this because we are not using thumb for the black keys. Okay, so remember, this is my next note in the scale. So I can't use this. I can't use my long fingers. Remember, the rules say we should use our thumb for white notes. So I can do a kind of twisting and use my thumb. Then continue. This is the next note in the scale. It's my fingers, twist. Why? Because this is the white note, I use my thumb. Okay, so you can see this. So we can just run this like this. So you can see this is kind of a cheat, right? And it works for all the black keys, not only C sharp. For instance, let's see F sharp, for instance. So this is F sharp. So remember the rule, this is F sharp major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to 1. So remember, our longer fingers for the black keys, our thumb for the white keys. So it's going to be something like this. This is the next notes. I can't use this. Okay, I can't use this, my pinky. I have to use my thumb. The rule says white keys, so we're going to use our thumb for it. Okay, and you know that these are the two white keys in the scale. So let's start. So I'm going to use my thumb for this. I'm going to use my thumb for this. Okay, so it's going to be like this. Okay, you can see that little secret. I think it's to save you a lot of stress, instead of thinking of the scales, instead of thinking of the fingering as 1, 2, whatever. Just make sure you use your long fingers for the black keys because it is higher and it gives a kind of good grip. Okay, it's pointed out than the white keys. Okay, so just know this simple rule. Just use your longer fingers for the black keys and your thumb for the white keys in any scale. So any major scale that comprises of maybe a mixture of white and black notes, do well to use your thumb for your white keys, and for the black keys you use your longer fingers. Okay, actually it doesn't work all the time. Sometimes there might be some very few times that you might have to just manipulate it. Okay, just one thing you need to note. Okay, let me clear the air here. One thing you need to know about this fingering is that there's no general rule of how your fingers should be. Don't be deceived. Okay, it is just what is convenient for you, but this principle is just something that can guide you. But if at the end of the day you find out something works best for you, just go ahead and use that. Okay, but it's just like a cheat of what can guide you in knowing the fingering. Okay, so if I want to run through any scale, I can just do something. You understand? Using the rule that the long keys I should use for my black and the thumb for my white. Okay, so I think it will save a lot of stress that way. So For instance, the key of E, let's say B. This is B, right? B major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's this. So using the rule, I can do something like this. I see my thumb here. So my long fingers for the black. Twisting is the next note in the scale. I can use my thumb. You can see. So thumb for white keys, long fingers for black keys. Okay, I hope this was helpful. This is just a little cheat that I discovered myself. And honestly, it's changed my play. It's made me to be more faster when running my scales. Okay, it's made me more faster when running my scales. Okay. So that's the secret I discovered, and I hope to help you in also your own endeavors. Just remember, everything is just step by step. So just use this tip, and if it really works for you, can also recommend it to others. Okay, so if you like this video, please do it to